he's 11 years old. He picks up his hoofs really easy. Hoof! And he has very hard hoofs. He's never needed shoes. He's been riding in the Rocky Mountains with him. Good. And you just slide your arm down, put a little pressure here at the bottom. Hoof! Say hoof and he'll pick it up. Good boy. And not much will spook him. Slide down, hoof, and there we go. And it's very easy to trim too, so he stands nicely for the hoof trimmer. Good.